Let's cut across to updates coming in from Sambhal in Uttar Pradesh. A Congress delegation is right now headed to Sambhal. This despite the fact that no permission was given to them, but they're continuing their march now towards Sambhal district. Days after the riots that took place over a mosque survey in which 5 people died. Remember, that happened last Sunday. Since then, you've been seeing endless politics and political parties attempting to make a beeline to Sambhal district. A Congress delegation now headed there despite the fact that no permission has been granted. Samarth Srivastava is joining us live with more details. So on this, Samarth, you had a clear message coming in from the authorities that no political party, no delegation will be allowed in Sambhal, keeping in mind the current situation on ground and how sensitive it is. But we're hearing now that the Congress delegation is attempting to head to the district despite that.
Well, exactly right. The station has made it very clear that no political party, be it Samajwadi Party or Congress, will be allowed. And you can clearly see the visuals out here, how the Congress Party workers are having a word of exchange with the Lucknow police senior officers out here who have come here in a way trying to stop the vehicle of UP Congress Chief Ajay Rai. And you can clearly see, in a way, heated exchange of words between the police and the Congress workers out here at the UPCC, that means Uttar Pradesh Congress office. You can see how the police team are in a way telling the workers to stop here and follow the administration orders, while the Congress workers are stressed on the point that they have made the plan even before the order of administration to move Sambhal. Though it's worth mentioning, earlier the order was for 30th November. Later it was increased to 10th December. That means no public representative would be allowed at the Sambhal at this particular area. And now you can see the visuals out here, how the heavy police force deployed outside the Congress office. That's the gate of Congress Party office, where from one end you see the Congress workers trying to move at this particular position, while on the other hand the policemen are disallowing or stopping the Congress workers to move. While another picture coming from that particular area, where you can clearly see that they are raising some serious slogans. You clearly see the exchange of words between the policemen and the congressmen out here, which clearly depicts the situation at present, how the atmosphere is currently in Lucknow, where the heated exchange of words. You can clearly see that now they are moving. They are moving towards. You can clearly understand. Now they are moving towards, and these visuals are telling the story. And see how the policemen and the Congress workers, in a way, assembled here. At one end, Congress workers trying to move across the premises, while on the other hand, you can see policemen stopping these workers out here. So situation has turned a bit grim right here, where you can clearly understand how the policemen at one end are stopping the Congress workers, while on the other hand, at the gate, how the Congress workers are moving towards the portion the route which will lead to the area of Sambhal. And these visuals are themselves telling the story what actually currently is happening in Lucknow. After the heated exchange of words, Congress delegation is wanting to move, and this can clearly depict the complete situation out here. Senior police officers out here with the top congressmen, apart from Congress Chief Ajay Rai. You can see how the policemen are stopping the Congress workers. Cameraman Sanjay is showing you the visuals from the top to make you understand. You can clearly see the bus has also arrived at this particular position. The bus has already arrived to detain the congressmen to the Eco Garden. That you just to stop them to move to Sambhal, and that's what the orders from the administration clearly say, and that's what we are getting currently from the ground at the Congress office. These pictures telling the story of the Congress protest. Though it's not the first time we saw, now they are clapping and making slogans against the government, and this situation clearly tells the story what the atmosphere. We saw Samajwadi Party workers also with leader of opposition Mata Prasad Pandey tried to go, and now the Congress workers with these policemen, in a way senior police officers, ACPs, DCPs, all in between. The proper chaos happening here. Women, men, all suffering together in one frame. Cameraman Sanjay showing you the visuals from the top and telling the story how things are unfolding currently here. The atmosphere at the Congress Party office with the people out here, the Congress Party workers trying to move across this particular area while others are raising slogans out here. It's a massive chaos happening across at the Congress office. Clearly show the story how the things are unfolding here. As per the reports, the Judicial Committee also reached Sambhal yesterday and made inquiry about the things, and that's why they were stressing on the point. And you can clearly see क्या कहेंगे आप लोग को रोक रहे हैं क्या कहेंगे
ये इनकी गुंडागर्दी नहीं चलेगी जाएंगे हम लोग
So that's what the Congress leaders out here are saying, that they will definitely go to these premises. As you see the buses out here, the heavy congressmen, Congress workers, large numbers, they are moving towards that particular portion just to ensure that they would reach Sambhal, and the pictures telling the story about the condition, about the scenario out here in the Congress office. Heavy Congress workers are stationed out here. They will be detained out here and will be moved to the Eco Garden. And the pictures telling the story, what actually the situation out here at the Congress office. And clearly, you can understand how. क्या कहेंगे आप लोग?
देखिए हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष संभल जाने की पूरी तैयारी में पूरी टीम, लेकिन योगी जी की पुलिस हमें रोक रही है। किस बात का डर है हमें ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। वहाँ पर ऐसा क्या वो हम लोगों से छुपाना चाहते हैं नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो उनका डर साफ साफ दिख रहा है।
So you can see that how the women Congress workers spoke to India Today and clearly said that the Yogi government is in fear, and that's why they are stopping. So these visuals are telling the story what currently is actually happening out here at the Congress Party office. So these visuals are telling the story what actually is happening right here. With cameraman Sanjay, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.
All right, Samarth getting us all of those updates from Ground Zero. You can see the delegation right now trying to make their way through this huge security presence at the Lucknow Congress office. And even as you've got Congress workers gathering there, the UP Congress chief Ajay Rai, we saw moments ago, also trying to make his way through the crowd. The police have refused to allow the Congress delegation to move forward, saying that they do not have permission, nor does any other political party, to be there in Sambhal, given the sensitive situation, and they're worried that again it will lead to a flare-up, which is why they've said that no delegation will be allowed. Which is why when the Congress announced that they're planning to send a delegation, you had this massive deployment of cops at the Congress headquarters in Lucknow. Even as you've got workers trying to push their way through and arguing with, in fact, the police officials, you can see tense situations playing out there at the Congress headquarters in Lucknow. I want to bring in Santosh, my colleague, who's getting us the latest updates on this. Santosh, very clear message from the cops that they will not allow this Congress delegation to go through. But yet we see these scenes of absolute chaos of Congress workers protesting, trying to push back the police force.
Definitely, this is a clear-cut message by the Lucknow police and even the Sambhal district administration that no one is allowed to enter in Sambhal district boundary before 10th of December, because there is 163 BNS section is imposed. Under this section, more than 5% gathering is not allowed, and beyond this, Congress delegation wants to visit those violence-affected area, and district administration is not allowing it. That's the reason Lucknow police is strict, and their strict behavior is there that they want to stop the Congress delegation in Lucknow party office, because even they have served notice to State President Ajay Rai regarding this imposing of 163 DLS that no one is allowed to enter in Sambal without prior permission. But Congress party workers, along with their state president Ajay Rai, they are on. They want to go, but Lucknow police is trying to stop them, and they have barricaded the whole streets around the capital of.
Prince, right now images coming in of the Congress delegation seated there on a dharna, refusing to budge, making it clear that till they're given permission to march to Sambhal, they won't stop with this protest at their office in Lucknow. So the showdown clearly peaking right now. We spoke earlier to the UP Congress chief Ajay Rai, who's leading these delegation, as well as a slew of other political leaders, on what's playing out right now, the politics over the Sambhal riots. Let's listen into his reactions.
अत्याचार अन्याय वहाँ पे हुआ है, उस अत्याचार अन्याय के खिलाफ हम सब लोग वहाँ जाएंगे और वहाँ के अपने नेतृत्व को अवगत कराएंगे और पूरी तरीके से आप सबके माध्यम से जनता को अवगत कराएंगे।
आपका संपर्क हुआ है? आज सुबह पुलिस से बात हुई है?
नहीं, पुलिस ने कोई नोटिस इशू किया है, कोई नोटिस दिया है और वो निश्चित तौर से और एक दिया है इन्होंने, और वो निश्चित तौर से,
क्योंकि बाहर ना बहुत ज्यादा पुलिसकर्मी लगे हैं।
जो भी लगा हो हम अपने गांधीवादी तरीके से जाने का प्रयास करेंगे और अपना हम अब जिस हमको जो हमने अनाउंस किया उस पर हम जाने का।
बीजेपी कह रही है कि कांग्रेस में सपा केवल राजनीति कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, अत्याचार अन्याय तो बीजेपी ने किया है।
का सबसे बड़ा कारण ये है कि वहाँ उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार जो है, पुलिस प्रशासन की जो साजिश है कि वहाँ जाकर के जो हमारा डेलीगेशन जाता उससे पर्दाफाश होता कि किस प्रकार इन लोगों ने घटना को अंजाम दिया है, इसलिए उसको छुपाने के लिए, ये अपनी साजिश को, नाकामी को, सबको छुपाने के लिए जाने से रोका जा रहा है, जो कि गलत है।
दोबारा से अगर डेलीगेशन जाएगा तो हिंसक घटनाएं हो सकती हैं, उकसाने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है, इस तरीके की बात कही जा रही है और कहा जा रहा है राजनीति कर रही है सपा और कांग्रेस पार्टी।
शायद वो लोग ऐसा ही करते होंगे तो उनकी सोच यही होगी, लेकिन हमारा मकसद तो दूसरा है। हमारा मकसद सिर्फ ये है कि हम वहाँ जाकर के जो पीड़ित परिवार हैं, जिन परिवार के सदस्यों की हत्या की गई है, हम उनके दुख और दर्द में जाके शरीक हो सके और वहाँ जाके जो घटना हुई है, किस प्रकार उस घटना को अंजाम दिया गया है, पुलिस प्रशासन ने किस तरह से उसमें अपना उसका हाथ है, उसकी एक पूरी रिपोर्ट बना के माननीय अध्यक्ष अखिलेश यादव जी को सौंपना चाहते हैं। इसके अलावा दूसरा कोई मकसद नहीं है। बाकी अपनी नाकामी और साजिश को छुपाने के लिए ये इस टाइप के अनाप शनाप बातें कर रहे हैं।
अभी ना आए, कब आए? जब वो नहीं होता देंगे। हालात पे वहाँ वो मतलब हम नमक छिड़कने नहीं जा रहे हैं, हील करने जा रहे हैं, जो भी लोग जाना चाह रहे हैं। तो ये एक अच्छा संदेश भी नहीं देता अपने देश के बारे में।
परिस्थिति खराब किसने की? सरकार के लोगों ने, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, पुलिस ने या विपक्ष के लोगों ने? मेरा ये कहना है, हम तो अपनी जिम्मेदारी को अदा कर रहे हैं। हमारा कर्तव्य है कि वहां जाके उनका मनोबल बढ़ाएं और वहां जो जुल्म हो रहा है उसको रोकने की आवाज उठाएं। लेकिन अगर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन अभी बनी हुई है तो हम लोग तो शालीनता से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कब परमिशन मिलेगी। हमको ज्यादा जोरमारी थोड़ी कर, अगर जाने की बात है तो हम लोग दौड़ के भी जा सकते हैं, छिप के भी जा सकते हैं, लेकिन हम जिम्मेदार लोग हैं, लापरवाह लोग नहीं। तो इसलिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि सही अवसर आए और जाके हम लोग वहाँ का, अब कल न्यायिक आयोग गया है, देखिए बहुत सारी चीजें निकल के आएंगी, आपको और हमें सबको पता लगेगा, देश को पता लगेगा।
बाहर रोकती है तो नेता जो है वो उतर जाते हैं और सड़क पर ही बैठ जाते हैं, धरना देना शुरू कर देते हैं। और ये देखिए तस्वीरें किस तरह से हैं। और अब बसेस में बिठाने का काम ऐसा लगता है कि शुरू होगा, जिसके बाद इन सबको इको गार्डन ले जाया जा सकता है, क्योंकि परमिशन जो है वो संभल जाने की फिलहाल नहीं है। तो थोड़ा सा आगे भी चलकर आपको दिखाएं, कोशिश करें कि क्या इस वक्त माहौल ग्राउंड पर है, किस तरह से भारी संख्या में जो कार्यकर्ता हैं वो इकट्ठा हो गए हैं। जब कांग्रेस दफ्तर में आप थे तो इतने कार्यकर्ता
on this broadcast, Mohsin Raza of the BJP, who is in fact joining us on this broadcast. Mohsin Raza जी, आपको क्या कहना है इसके बारे में? कांग्रेस डेलीगेशन अभी धरना पे है और बोल रहे हैं कि सिर्फ हम के खिलाफ ऐसे एक्शन ले रहे हैं।
देखिए, हमेशा से कांग्रेस की प्रवृत्ति रही है इस तरह की चीजों में अपना लाभ ढूंढती है, अवसर तलाशती है आपदा में, तो ये कांग्रेस की प्रवृत्ति रही है। अगर इनका टाइम आप देखें तो 3000 सांप्रदायिक दंगे इन्होंने अपने दौर में कराए जब इनका शासन था, और भूला नहीं जा सकता मेरठ और आपको मुरादाबाद, भागलपुर, ये सब इन्हीं के दौरान हुए। मास स्लॉटरिंग कराई इन लोगों ने, और आज फिर उसी तरह की राजनीति को तलाश रहे हैं, क्योंकि खोई हुई जमीन ये वहां से तलाश रहे हैं
जहां तक जाने देंगे चलेंगे, और उसके बाद आगे जब प्रतिबंध हटेगा तब जाएंगे जरूर, डंके की चोट पर जाएंगे।
वहाँ पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी कह रही है कि ये सब जो है पूरा प्रोपेगेंडा है कांग्रेस और समाजवादी पार्टी का, तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति का मुख्यमंत्री कह रहे हैं। ये
हम सब कांग्रेस के न्यूट्रल इस दबा के हाँ दबाइए, खाली ये दबाइए ऊपर हो गया।
धारा बताई जा रही है कि अशांति फैलेगी, आप लोग जाके क्या करेंगे?
बात शांति स्थापित करने की
दब नहीं रहा है।
Okay, so you've got Ajay Rai there making it clear that they will attempt to make their way now to Sambhal. You can see his vehicle being given permission to go through. So he's saying as far as we can go, as close as we can to Sambhal, we will make our way. Samarth is with us. And before I go across for live updates, let's play out a conversation that he had with Ajay Rai for you.
आप यहाँ धरना दे रहे, क्या कहेंगे आज?
नहीं जाने चाहते थे, जाने नहीं दिया रहे, तो हम सब लोग धरने पर बैठे हैं और अत्याचार अन्याय किया जा रहा है। पर जब प्रतिबंध हटेगा तब कांग्रेस पार्टी वहां जाएगी और पीड़ित परिवार से मिलेगी, लोगों को न्याय दिलाएगी।
तब तक आप लोग यहीं बैठे रहेंगे?
अब जब तक ये निश्चित हमको जाने नहीं देंगे, हम लोग यहीं बैठेंगे।
क्या कहा है आपसे पुलिस वालों ने?
ये जबरदस्ती नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं, रोक रहे हैं। तो हम गाड़ी से निकल रहे थे, नहीं तो आगे निकल कर आ गए। हम धरने पर बैठे हैं, गांधीवादी तरीके से अपनी बात को कहेंगे।
Okay, so there you have the Congress leader, Ajay Rai, who is the UP Congress chief, leading this particular protest right now, who was to lead the delegation, saying very clearly that permission is not being granted only to us. But remember, before this also, the Samajwadi Party delegation that attempted to make their way to Sambhal was blocked. And the police officials have made it very clear that no political party, no delegation will be allowed there to Sambhal because of the situation right now there. Samarth is joining us live with the latest updates. Samarth, I do see some movement around even as these leaders are sitting on a dharna. Does it look like the cops will give in and allow them to head to Sambhal, Samarth?
It's not possible because firstly it's 163 section is on in Sambhal, so there's no logic of them reaching Sambhal. Number two, the barricades have been put in around the Congress office. Also, Ajay Rai, the UP Congress chief, tried to move across this particular Congress office with his vehicle, but firstly the police team stopped the vehicle of Ajay Rai, and later when he found that he could not move the vehicle forward, then he got down from the car and started the sit-in dharna outside the Congress office. Cameraman Sanjay will show you the visuals of the sit-in dharna happening around at the Congress office, led by UP Congress chief Ajay Rai. You can clearly get the significance, what actually currently the situation out here in the Congress office is, and you can clearly get the glimpse of the situation out here where the Congress leaders led by Ajay Rai are leaving no stone unturned to move to Sambhal, in a way to pressurize, in a way to put the police to allow them to move, while the policemen, you can clearly see, they are trying to pacify the Congress workers. Also, they are trying to make them understand that they can't allow the Congress leaders, the Congress delegation to move to Sambhal because they do have the limitations, and when there's order by the administration in Sambhal where no political leader could go or no public representative could go, so how can they allow the Congress leaders? But these visuals are tough, and you can see how the UP Congress chief now they are getting up and moving forward, and it's another visuals coming in. So clearly see what actually is happening right here. If they are moving inside the Congress party office or they are going somewhere else. It seems that they are moving back to the Congress office, and the visuals are telling the story. And yes, it seems that Ajay Rai is moving inside the Congress office again. So we are trying to move. We'll try to move inside. We'll try to move inside the Congress office to understand what actually is happening. It seems that Ajay Rai is going back, and We'll also speak to the Congress, to the top policemen who have been there, who are there. Baatcheet, we can also have a word with the top police out here. So let's have a word with the. Sir, क्या कुछ आप लोग की बात हुई है? So you can see the police. Then seems that they have convinced the congressmen. Seems they have convinced. Sir, convince कर लिया आप लोगों ने क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी को? So they want the senior officials to speak on this particular matter and see the policemen out here clearly. See the story, the heavy police deployment out here. While the Ajay Rai has moved back, it seems that to some extent the policemen have succeeded in conveying the message out here. And some ladies out here with me, the Congress women workers out here, they are clicking selfies out here. आप लोग यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट में आए हैं, क्या कहा है पुलिस ने आप लोगों से अभी? पुलिस ने क्या कहा है? वापस गए अजय राय साहब अभी?
उन्होंने अपना पत्र जो देना था वो दिया है और हम क्योंकि अनुशासन को हाथ में लेते नहीं है, इसलिए हम उसका पालन करते हुए 10 तक का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। आज जाने वाले थे, आज का जाना 26 तारीख को ही अनाउंस हो गया था जी। ये नहीं है कि एकदम से रातों रात हम। तो
अभी अजय राय साहब की यानी कि पुलिस की टीम से बातचीत हुई है कि जब 10 तारीख को जाएंगे?
जी बिल्कुल बात हुई है। अब क्या हुई है ये हम भी बाहर ही।
So you can see the Congress workers have convinced that they had a word with the policemen and after submitting the letter, Ajay Rai seems to be a bit convinced and.
इनके डीसीपी हैं और इनके अधिकारियों ने कि 10 तक प्रतिबंध है। 10 के बाद मैंने कहा कि जब प्रतिबंध हटेगा तो कांग्रेस का डेलीगेशन जाएगा। इन्होंने कहा है कि हम 10 के पहले आपको अवगत करा देंगे, अवगत कराएंगे, हम जाएंगे। मैंने कहा है कि 10 के पहले वो अवगत कराएंगे हमको, हम निश्चित तौर से जाएंगे। जिस दिन हटेगा प्रतिबंध उसके उस समय कांग्रेस का डेलीगेशन वहां जाएगा। नहीं, अभी वहाँ पर पुलिस अधिकारियों ने कहा है कि हम 10 के पहले अवगत कराएंगे कि कब प्रतिबंध हटा रहे हैं। जब प्रतिबंध हटेगा कांग्रेस का डेलीगेशन संभल जाएगा। ये तो आज इन्होंने ये हमको वादा किया है कि 10 के पहले आपको बताएंगे और जब प्रतिबंध 10 तारीख को ये हटाएंगे 11 को हम लोग जाएंगे।
Okay, so the confirmation coming in there, Samath, I'm not sure if you could hear what Ajay Rai said, but he said essentially that the police are not giving us permission, and so we will push our visit to post 10th, because till then prohibitory orders are in place. So it looks like there has been some sort of a breakthrough, that the communication has gone across from the police that no permission will be granted, Samath.
Well, exactly. Ajay Rai has clearly said that they have and later, after the nod from the administration and the police, the Congress party would move towards that particular area of Sambhal where the violence occurred. So that's the planning by the Congress party, though they made the show of strength out here. And what they said, they used the terms of sit-in dharna or what the Mahatma Gandhi used to do. That's what the claims of Ajay Rai was. But the police team went convinced Ajay Rai about this particular situation, that they can't allow Ajay Rai to move or Congress delegation to move to Sambhal. Then they got convinced, and on assurance of police that they'll be getting a call from the police and administration themselves about the movement of Congress party to the Sambhal before 10th of December. So they'll follow that particular order by the police, and later on when the administration will be convinced that things are all right, then only they'll understand. आप लोग बताइए क्या बात हुई प्रशासन से और क्या
प्रशासन से हमारे अध्यक्ष जी की बात हुई है कि 10 तारीख के पहले लखनऊ पुलिस प्रशासन अध्यक्ष जी को बताएगा कि आपको किस तारीख को जाना है। तो ये बात हुई है। इस सहमति के बाद हम लोग वापस अपने कार्यालय में आए हैं कि 10 तारीख के पहले पुलिस अवगत करा देगी किस तारीख को जाना।
अगर 10 तारीख के पहले भी नहीं हटाते तो आप लोग का क्या स्टेप रहेगा?
देखिए, हम अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा देंगे। जो वहाँ पे अन्याय हो रहा है हमारे मुस्लिम भाइयों के साथ, वो कांग्रेस पार्टी कभी भी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी। वो अपना डेट बढ़ाते रहे, तारीख बढ़ाते रहे, हम संघर्ष करते रहेंगे।